Did you know that over 63% of Americans aged 40 and above say they don't feel financially prepared for retirement, and nearly half still live paycheck to paycheck? If you're over 40, making more than you did in your 20s, but still feel stuck in financial quicksand, you're not alone. Here's the truth. By 40, the habits that served you in your 20s and 30s become the exact things holding you back. The margin for error shrinks, and small financial mistakes multiply into major problems. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 most common money habits that keep people over 40 financially stuck, and more importantly, how to break free starting today. Habit number 1, living without a written budget. 73% of Americans don't regularly follow a budget, according to a 2023 study by Debt.com. And by age 40, many assume they've got their spending under control simply because they've been managing money for decades. But experience doesn't equal awareness. In fact, comfort often breeds complacency. The most dangerous spending isn't big purchases. It's the invisible drain. $200 monthly on forgotten subscriptions, $300 on impulse purchases, $500 on convenience spending. It's not about saying no to fun. It's about saying yes to purpose. It's a tool that puts you in the driver's seat, showing exactly where your money is going so you can redirect it intentionally. Here's what works. Budget weekly, not monthly. Weekly reviews give you faster feedback and more control. Use apps like YNAB or even a simple Google Sheet. Track everything for 1 week, then redirect that money intentionally toward investments or debt payoff. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness of where your money actually goes. Habit number 2, avoiding investments out of fear. Let's be honest, if you're over 40 and still haven't started investing, here's the brutal truth. Your money in savings accounts earning 0.45%, while inflation runs at 3 to 4%, means you're losing buying power every year. Think of investing like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. It's not too late. In fact, many successful investors started in their 40s and 50s. What they did differently, they focused on smart risk, not no risk. The solution is simple. Start with index funds. The S&P 500 historically returns 7 to 10% annually. Even $100 monthly in a diversified ETF through Vanguard or Fidelity can grow to tens of thousands over 20 years. If you're truly unsure, consider speaking to a fee-only financial advisor, or use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront that automate smart investing for you. Here's the mindset shift. Fear of investing isn't protecting you. It's costing you. The longer you wait, the more money you leave on the table. If this content is speaking to you, take a moment to hit subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover truth like this, and it truly makes a difference. Let's get back to it. Habit number 3, relying solely on one source of income. If there's one habit that keeps people over 40 stuck in a cycle of financial stress, it's this: having all their eggs in one basket, a single paycheck. Let's face it, even Fortune 500 companies are laying off overnight. Your job security is an illusion. Losing that one income stream doesn't just disrupt your lifestyle. It can collapse your entire financial foundation. So what's the solution? Build income layers. Start with what you already know. Can you turn your skill into freelance work? Can you rent out a spare room on Airbnb? Can you start selling digital products, offer online tutoring, or launch a YouTube channel? Can you invest $1,000 in dividend stocks or REITs for passive income? Remember, a side hustle isn't about being trendy. It's about being smart. Multiple income streams create breathing room, they reduce stress, and most importantly, they open the door to choice. The power to walk away from toxic jobs, retire early, or invest aggressively. And here's a bonus. Many people over 40 are sitting on a goldmine of experience and insight. Package that knowledge. Sell it. Teach it. Someone out there is willing to pay for what you know. Habit number 4. Ignoring health as a financial strategy. This might shock you, but one of the most expensive financial mistakes people over 40 make has nothing to do with money. It's neglecting their health. Medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy in America. A 2022 study by Fidelity found that a healthy 65-year-old couple spends around $315,000 on healthcare in retirement. Poor health also limits earning potential through chronic fatigue and reduced work capacity. So what can you do? Start with the basics. Walk 30 minutes a day. Get regular checkups. Don't wait until something's wrong. Reduce alcohol and smoking. The long-term savings are massive. Most importantly, prioritize sleep and stress management. These two factors silently dictate your weight, energy, mood, and decision-making power, all of which affect your money choices. Your body is your most valuable asset. Protect it like $1 million investment because that's exactly what it is. Habit number 5. Living without a written financial plan. By 40, winging your finances paycheck to paycheck is financial suicide. Hope is not a strategy. Without a written plan, you're driving without GPS, wasting money and missing opportunities. By 40, your money needs a mission. That means track exactly what you spend monthly. Know your net worth, even if negative. Set clear debt payoff and retirement goals. Automate savings and investments. Assign every dollar a job. You don't need a financial advisor to get started. You need clarity. Even a simple spreadsheet can transform your mindset from stress to control. Here's a quick tip. Set a monthly money date with yourself or your partner. Go over your income, expenses, and goals. Adjust as needed. That one habit alone can save you thousands over time. A written plan gives you power. And at 40, power means peace. Peace of mind that you're not just working hard, but working smart. Habit number 6. Hanging around financially stagnant circles. Let's be real. Your environment can make or break your financial growth. One of the most overlooked habits that keeps people stuck over 40 is staying surrounded by people who are comfortable being financially stuck. We all have that one friend who's always broke, always complaining but never changing. Or the family member who thinks investing is a scam, or that starting a business is too risky. If those are the voices you hear every day, guess what? They shape your beliefs, actions, and outcomes, even without you realizing it. By 40, you need to audit your circle. Who are you spending time with? What do they value? Are they learning, growing, investing, and taking calculated risks? Or are they always in survival mode, blaming the government, the economy, or fate? The solution isn't to cut people off cold, it's to balance your influence. Join mastermind groups, follow financially literate creators, attend local workshops, get around people who talk about ideas, not just problems. Energy is contagious. If you want to level up financially, start spending time with people who challenge your thinking, stretch your goals, and normalize success. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're the smartest or most financially responsible person in your group, you're in the wrong group. Habit number 7, delaying investing until things settle down. This is perhaps the most dangerous money habit of all, waiting for the perfect time. Life never settles down. There will always be bills, emergencies, market volatility. If you keep waiting, you'll be 60 with regret, not results. After 40, every year of delay costs exponentially more. A 40-year-old investing $200 monthly reaches $175,000 by 65. Wait until 45. Only $125,000. The real secret: start small, but start now. Even if it's just $20 a week into a mutual fund, index fund, or ETF, that habit builds discipline and creates momentum. Don't wait until you have extra money to invest. Invest first and then live on the rest. Automate it. Let it be as routine as brushing your teeth. Inaction is expensive, and every delay has a cost. Don't let the fear of starting small rob you of the chance to grow big. You've just discovered the 7 money habits silently holding millions of people over 40 hostage. Start with one habit today. Your future wealth depends on actions you take now, not perfect timing. Which habit are you breaking first? Let us know in the comments below. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button to help spread the message. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly, proven wealth-building strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.